Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we're doing a special series on STARBOND glue. Please look up the first video where I describe the products. Now we're actually using the products. As a little bit bonus, the lovely one, the other part of SC Custom Designs, will be gluing up glass. So please watch that one. I'll try to attach it to this one here. But I've been talking about the various materials that it can glue up. That is metal, glass, plastic, wood, leather. And so we have the very first thing we're going to glue up is going to be plastic. This is a little latch that falls right off this unit here. And so the glue is the perfect example for how this works. So we have an accelerator that causes the glue to dry almost instantaneously. And we have two that we're going to be using today. I'm going to be using the thick glue, and it's clear. So let's go ahead without further ado. The first thing you do is you put the glue where you want it. I'm going to put it right there. And then you put the accelerator on the other end. Okay. And then we put it in place. Easier said than done. I got to move, sorry, because I'm right-handed. There we go. And basically you hold it for about 16 seconds. And then it should be pretty permanent. It is an amazing product. Okay, that's about, and the thicker glue gives you more glue up time. So it's already not moving. Okay. So, previously, this would just come right off. Now, as you can see, that's all set now. So we'll just set it there for now. I'm going to go ahead and back up. I'm going to move that out of the way. I'm looking forward to that not falling off anymore. Next, what we're going to glue up is some wood. This here is a very dried out bandsaw box drawer, and I already glued up the tricky part in the front. We're going to glue up the back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now, and I'm going to use the medium glue. Okay, all right, so I think it's easier to put the glue on this part here. So we'll go ahead. And please note that there's nozzles that are very thin. I'll show you that in a little bit. Okay? So you can get into those very small places. Okay, so that's the glue. Now the accelerator. You only have a little bit of time before this is going to, can you see okay?
I could.
Before it just sets forever. So here we go. About 16 seconds. We'll let go of this. And as woodworkers, when we need to get a product out to market and we don't have 3 to 24 hours for wood glue to dry, okay, that's my 16 seconds, and it's on. It isn't going to come off. So that's beautiful. Example number 2. Let's go to another wood product, and that happens to be my SC Custom Designs sign. And there you go. Let's make sure there's no glue there. Okay. And I need to glue up 2 pieces. I seem to have lost the other piece. That's how live videos go. I will not be gluing up this sign because I can't find it. So let's go ahead and do these boots. Okay. So what happened with the boots is this came apart. Sorry. It came apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the thick glue. And so let's put the lid back on there. Okay, let's just set it right down in there. Okay, that looks like plenty. Okay, now I need to put the accelerator on. Now I'm going to clamp for 16 seconds. And while I'm clamping, I'm going to look for that piece of wood. No, I just don't know where it went. Okay. Okay. Now, I put a lot of glue on this, so I'm going to hold it a little bit longer.
That's been about 18 seconds,
Okay.
I think.
And I can see that it's just still a little... Just going to make sure we get enough glue up time on that. And the thicker glues do tend to take a little bit longer.
Oh, it looks glued.
Okay. So that's not normal glue, my friends. That's the STARBOND product that allows you to glue things up very, very quickly. And we'll do a follow-up video.
How's it look?
Where my wife will wear these things and she'll tell us if it falls apart. I don't think it's going to. I've glued up pieces of some products where I would put 20 pounds of weight on it within the 16 seconds and it didn't come apart. So we've glued up leather. We've glued up this wood here. And we've glued up this plastic here, this lid. So,
So does it latch well now?
This over here a little bit.
Ah, perfect.
There we go. And it shows no signs of coming off.
Yeah.
Latch this one as well.
Perfect.
Okay. And
Nice.
that is just wonderful. So there we go. Okay. We'll continue to do videos with the STARBOND product because another great product is the medium thick brown and black, which is great for filling in crevices or lines or some kind of compromise in your wood. And so you can apply it, use the accelerant to spray, dry it, sand it. You're doing all of this just within minutes. And like, for example, knots as well. When a knot falls out, I like the knots in the wood. And so you can instantly go ahead and fill those in and glue them back in. So please feel free to leave your questions, your comments to me. And once again, I stand 100% behind the product. I've been using it long enough. And like I said, I've had this, and if I didn't say it, the glues that I got from STARBOND originally about a year ago, and they recommend you put it in the fridge, and their guarantee is that it's going to last. And it is. It's working just as if I opened it yesterday. And they do make fresh batches when they send out their products. So they're very, very, very nice people to deal with as well, customer service. And so there you go. So please look for the future. We'll be doing other types of videos. My last example for you is you'll remember when me and the lovely one made a bed. it was a tufted bed,
Headboard.
headboard. And when I went to assemble the backboard, I have two pieces that go around like this on either end of the shelf part, and one broke right off. And so I was like, oh man, what am I going to do? The glue, the STARBOND glue. I went and I got it. I fixed it within seconds. It's permanently fixed. So when woodworkers don't have time, you need to get something done quick, then that's what you do. Thank you very much for watching this second video. So we'll do our usual goodbye. Shalom uvracha, totzins, arrivederci, au revoir. Take care.